They don't wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no, cause I got the album. Y'all see, I tried to match the vibe. See how she all glistening, me all glistening, all that shit, all that pink, all that pink. You see, you down to be a distraction, baby, but don't distract. Do you, don't you, baby? Said I'm trying to break off a piece of mind. A piece of mind that I can't get right. Can't get it right.
Don't do that.
Don't do that. Okay, y'all see what it is? It's Kehlani! But yeah. Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Noah B. As you can already see, it's me and Kehlani. Ah! Okay, y'all don't understand. Y'all understand. I love this album so much. Like, yeah, I love this album. Anyway, but yeah, I got the vinyl. I got the Urban Outfitters edition. What's it called? The partly cloudy purple. Just look at it. I love it. Oh my god. Like, ah! This is the whole vibe. And y'all see I try to match her? Look, look, look. Shimmer. Shimmer. Pink, pink. Y'all. I had to go put on the pink. Get this pink popping. Oh, bitch. Okay. Let's open it. Let's see what she about. Let's see what she about. Honestly, when I saw this on the Urban Outfitters, I literally gagged. I was just like, yes, click, buy, instant, go. Ooh. Oh wait, I did it so wrong. Hold on. I'm getting ahead of myself. Anyway, okay. It's a gatefold, so ooh, look at her go. Okay. This is the back with all the tracks on it and everything. But like, look at her teeth, so perfect. Like, what? She could do no wrong. But yeah, okay. And that's the front. Ooh. Oh my god. Okay, so it comes with, it comes with this, a special thank you. I'm not gonna read all that. I'm illiterate and it is so long. But it has all the tracks on it. Oh my god. Okay, let me just go. I'm gonna just tell you which ones are my favorite. I love Distraction, Peace of Mind, Undercover. I'm not used to it. That one. Advice. Honestly, I just love the whole album. But yeah. Then it comes with, the pictures. And then it just has the song list of that or whatever. Oh my god, let's just get into it. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. That's so pretty. Oh my god. Okay. That's side A and B. This is the first one. I have the first sleeve. And this is the second one. Ooh, I love this purple. Like, yes. Honestly, they could have said, it says partly purple cloudy, but like, I'm getting like purple marble from it though. But either way, I love it. Sweet, sexy, savage, Miss Kehlani. That's a sexy color too. She knew what she was doing when she was coming up with these colors. But yeah, that's the vinyl. I'm obsessed. I love it. Honestly, I think it's literally in my top 5 favorite ones. And yeah, I love it. Y'all already know I don't play by my vinyl, so we're putting Miss Kehlani in a sleeve. Ooh. Oh, she fighting. Okay. Yeah, cause look, and then she's 10 times more glossy. And then I'm weird. I like to keep the stickers and put them on the back. Boom. But yeah, that's Miss Kehlani, and that's really much it for the video. Alright, y'all, that's a wrap for the video. Comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. And catch you on my next one.